Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! Sorry, someone said, Jordan, can you not scream yo? I'm driving so I don't crash my car. What's going on, man? I got the bull hat on today. I was trying to do this thing, before. I was trying to make it upside down, like this. Like this for the upside down bull. Actually, this kind of works out. This is up for all the bears out there. Is Jordan a bear? Well, we'll find out, man. The upside down bull. It's like when, you ever seen the scary movies where you're watching a scary movie and the cross goes upside down? This is kind of like that, where you got the bull and then you're like, boom, right there to the downside, man. What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's your boy, back with another one. This is the last stream before I go on vacation, guys. Now, the only TA I need to do for you guys today. Here is the only TA that I need you guys to do today, okay? I'm going on vacation. Based off statistics, okay? 4 out of 4 times that I've gone on vacation since having this channel, we have dumped to the downside, okay? And not just little dumps, okay? Real quick, I want to go, before we get started with the stream today, because this is my farewell stream, by the way, guys. This is my last stream ever. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your lives, and really just believe in crypto. I am capitulating, and I'll never be streaming again. Bob's actually going to be taking over as the host. Bob and Job are really going to be the co-host, guys. So real quick, here's Bob to be the co-host, guys.
Hey guys, hey, I'm your new host. I'm going to show you every time Jordan's going on vacation. He went on vacation right here. Okay, this right here. Bitcoin dumped so hard right here. Jordan also went on vacation right here in September, and we dumped. Jordan also went on vacation when he went to Vegas right here. Bitcoin dumped. Okay? And now, we have, is it a coincidence? No, it's not. Okay? We're going to dump again. That's all you need to know. That's all the TA for, guys. I'll see you guys later. See ya.
Imagine if Bob started a show, man. Anyways, guys. Let's jump on into it, man. Let's jump on into it. Thanks, been a great life. I'm just kidding. I'm not going anywhere, man. I will be back next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I will be back, guys, okay? So I won't even leaving you for a week. This hat is like a weird fit, man. It's probably because I wore it upside down for a little bit. It's a weird fit, man. I'm excited for a vacation, though, but let's talk about some charts because this morning's charts played out beautifully. If you watched this morning's stream, right before the stream started, we were talking about a rising wedge here on the hourly time frame. Bada bing, bada boom. Went right to the second target. Actually, well, this was the first target. This was the second target. Might take profit levels for the short. And then we came back down and actually bounced right off the previous low and are trying to get some momentum back to the upside right now. But you can see the title of the stream. This is the line in the sand for the bulls. And I don't mean that very lightly, okay? At least for the time being, because we know we're watching a more macro bullish pattern, and quite frankly, if we break these levels here, that's going to kind of throw everything off. And I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about coming up here in a second, man. What's going on, Shane? Neil, what's going on, buddy? Bob needs his own channel. This guy was born on vacation. I might have been. My parents, I don't know what happens with them, but I might have been born on vacation. I don't know, man. I don't know. I probably was, I don't know. I probably was put into this world. What's the word for it? When, you go into, we're getting way too scientific here. I was probably put into this world on vacation, guys. I will say that. Not even Jordan going on vacation will create a lower low. It's one of the best indicators, that and Chainlink pumping. Anyways, let's jump into the chart. So just a quick recap on today, guys. Rising wedge, dumped to the downside, came right actually to the rising wedge target, right at the lows. Now trying to come back up. Just back tested these previous support levels and trying to hold it as support again. Can it have more momentum to the upside? Let's talk about it. Let's discuss. And let's discuss that what we want to happen to see if we are this. And what we want to see if we are this. Okay? Let's jump on into it, man. What's up, Clint? Clint, I will not spit it out. I'm purposely going to waste your time. Sound like a good deal? Sound like a deal? I think it's a good deal. I think it is. All right. Let's see what we're looking at here, guys. So this is the chart that we're all watching right here. Okay? What's up, Brian? Conceived. There you go. Conceived. There's the word. You guys know what I'm talking about. When your mom and dad, they, that, yeah. It was probably happening on vacation. Anyways here, guys. So total market cap. This is the level we're watching. And Bitcoin's in such a different level than total market cap. It's like Bitcoin dumps and Ethereum holds up well. Like, Bitcoin's down 2% today. ETH is pretty much flat. It's down a little bit, but it's pretty much flat. ETH has been holding up like a damn freaking rock, right? I mean, look at these charts real quick, guys. It's unbelievable. Look at the Ethereum weekly chart, right? Ethereum's like all the way up here, not even close to its lows, where you got Bitcoin literally holding on for dear life right at its lows. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin is just not holding up very well versus the ETH, right? You can look at the ETH Bitcoin chart, but anyways, that's besides the point. It's besides the point here. Bitcoin has been a slug in the mud. The more important chart is total market cap, okay? Here's the more important chart, guys. Total freaking market cap. By the way, guys, smack up that like button. Smack up that like button. I hate shilling the like button, man. But if I can shill anything, it's gotta be the like button. You know? So shill that like button, guys. Well, I appreciate it if you guys do. Why is this important? Why is this chart so important, guys? Well, let's zoom out to the daily chart real quick on this bad boy. All right. So we've been talking about, and this has been the bullish scenario. The possible bullish scenario is this right here, this falling wedge on the daily time frame. Okay. If we want to see any hope, holy moly, Mike coming in hot, Palajek coming in hot. Oh my lord, man.
Seriously, you and
I just got a massive Vitalik boner. Holy shit. You guys want to see my Vitalik boner right now? Actually, no. I'm probably going to get banned for doing this. No, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to get banned. I'm going to get banned. I would totally do it if I was on Twitch. But I'm totally not going to stand up and show a boner in my pants. Anyway, that's freaking nuts, man. Holy moly. By the way, guys, we're going to show the standings for the Crypto Madness tournament, which we're on the quarterfinals. I didn't show the standings yesterday, but we have the standings right here. I'm going to show you guys who's in first, who's in second, and everything in between. Actually, this color scheme matches my hat perfectly. Look at this. This looks so dope. It matches my hat perfectly. Is it a coincidence? Probably not. Palajek, that's freaking awesome, man. Mike, that's freaking awesome, man. You guys are freaking awesome, bro. Appreciate that, man. I've been having a fantastic vacation, and I'll be coming back nice and refreshed, man. All right, so let's go to real quick, and because I want to discuss this in length. The reason why I say this is the line in the sand for the Bulls, my man. All right, the line in the sand, right? You don't want to break this. You don't want to be digging yourself out of another ditch, okay? Which is another piece of sand, basically. Okay, so rising wedge, right? Lower lows, lower highs. These break to the upside 68% of the time. It's a nice setup, but we haven't confirmed anything yet, okay? We're still below resistance. We actually came up perfectly today and back tested this resistance right here, okay? Which was also these resistances back here, these supports back here, these supports back here. This is a big level right here, basically. And we got rejected right at that level today, okay? So the setup is there. Like, for any type of bullish setup to I guess manifest, I guess is the word to say it, is from swing low to swing high. You got that perfect 618 retrace. You got the momentum switching up to the upside right there, right? Momentum wave about to come up. Daily stock cross to the upside. Okay, so the daily chart is good, but all this is for nothing if the short-term charts just want to shit the bed. If the stock market wants to shit the bed. Okay, so we got to continue to watch this as we go. I'm going to remain optimistic that this will play out to the upside. Okay, I'm going to remain optimistic. Though the track record of me on going on vacation is not very good, right? The track record usually this is job when I'm on vacation, guys. All right.
Look at Bitcoin. It's dumping again. Bitcoin loves to ruin Jordan's vacations. He goes there to have a good time. He's like, Bitcoin's not going to dump. And then what does it do? It just dumps. And he looks at the chart like this. This is how Jordan looks at the chart. He's like this. What an idiot. He should have sold. He should have shorted. But instead he's a bull going on vacation. What an idiot. Absolute idiot.
Drew, what's going on, buddy? Rug me? Drew, we can't be doing that, my man. We can't be doing that. All right, so this is the bullish scenario, guys. Still, we're going to remain optimistic that this plays out, for the short term here, okay? For the short term. Keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. What's up? I've shit the bed? Why'd you shit the bed, Drew? Why'd you shit the bed? Who's in last? Let's look at it in a second, guys. We'll look at it in a second. Let me just bust through some of these Bitcoin charts. There's not too much to talk about other than like what we didn't talk about this morning. So keep that in mind. All right, 15-minute time frame. There's not too much going on here. I think, let me bust through. Let me go to the hourly time frame real quick. So we broke down from this wedge. Let me just clear this out. Let's get a fresh chart going on. We know we broke down from the wedge. There's not really a pattern that I'm seeing on the short-term time frames here at the current moment. So this is really a no trade zone for me at the moment, guys. I'm not in any type of trades at the moment. As far as like short-term trades, to me this is like kind of a sketchy area at the moment. basically what we want to see is, this to be a double bottom here on the hourly time frame, 4-hour time frame, whatever you want to call it, right? You want to see that first hit, the rise, the second hit, the rise, and continuation to the upside. So far, all you really did was get back above the 50 EMA, dump below it, come back up and test it, find resistance on it. I mean, that's really all you did so far, okay? So we got to mosey our way back up to the upside here. Momentum on the short-term time frames really not telling us much either, right? They've already kind of played out for the short term. 15-minute about to get that cross to the upside, but looks like that already played out too. Bitcoin's coming back down. Here's the 15-minute time frame, okay? So this is a very, 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 very short-term chart, okay? Very short-term chart, man. So keep this in mind. Where's my guy? Where's my guy? Where's my guy, man? Where's my guy? Let's have, no. Let's have, where is he? Where's my guy? There he is. John! Why are we even going to look at these 15-minute chart? No one cares about this, all right? We want to know when moon. We want to know when pay off debt. We want to know when buy goat. That's what we want to know. We don't care about what Bitcoin's going to do in the next 20 minutes. All right? It's like, what are we going to do with that? By the time I get into a trade, I'm liquidated. Christ, man, tell me where we're going next month, not today. Christ, man, like, so pointless to watch this channel, man. Christ, bro. Oh, I'm so freaking old. No, seriously. Real quick, just a quick 15-minute time frame here. All right. You did get the stock cross. I'm waiting for momentum to come up. Okay. Waiting for momentum to come up. But, it could be looking at this some type of bull flag. And the reason why I'm looking at it like this, guys, is the measure move. Thank you, Uncle Clint Mike. Mike is literally Clint, man. It's dead ass accurate. It's so dead ass accurate, man. It's crazy. So 15-minute time frame, like this, guys, this is short term shit. But you take the lows to the highs and you extrapolate that up. That would put a measure move literally right at that 20,300 point, which is our resistance looking left over here. So, short term, let's see if that plays out. 15-minute looking like it could do that here. So pay attention, right? Pay attention. I mean, we could come back down to the bottom of this again before we come up, but this is super short term shit, man. Like super short term shit. Hourly, this ain't telling us too much right now, guys. Like there's no vector candles to the downside. These red vectors, or this red vector right here, Bitcoin already dropped, came back up, retook it, and is dumping. So there's not much. There's not much. I mean, really, all we really want to see here, if we go out to the daily chart, okay, for BTC is this, right? Bitcoin's chilling right here. These lows right here on the daily time frame, right about 19K. That's the level we definitely want to hold, but I definitely don't want to drop below these previous lows, because if we drop below these previous lows right here at about 19,558, we're going to be deviating from our wedge again. We can have one deviation and come back in, but I do not want to break it again. So this is the line in the sand for the bulls, my friends. We don't want to break out of this wedge for Bitcoin. Though, even if we do break out of the wedge for Bitcoin, we're still in it on total market cap, okay? And I've told you guys, I think total market cap is more important than looking at Bitcoin. Shoot me for it. Shoot me for it. If you guys want to come shoot me for it, okay, come get me, man. I will mess you up. Even if you shoot me, I will come and knock up your ass. I will destroy you. You want to come shoot me? Guess what? These bullets ain't going through these muscles. I will come over there and I will bicep that head. I will put that head right in my bicep and go, ugh, ugh. Come at me, bro. Come at me. If you think I'm going to be wrong. Bitch. No, but seriously. Even if Bitcoin breaks down, total will still be in it. But I would prefer, for a little bit cleaner of a chart, for Bitcoin to stay above the previous low. So that we just had, right? 19,558. All right. So all in all, we are getting to a crucial point in the charts. And I hope this is not setting up for the annual, or I guess I should say, the semi-annual Jordan vacation dump. And it hasn't just been small dumps, guys. It's been monumental dumps every time I go on vacation. It's like chain link pumping, man. Every time chain link pumping, I don't want to admit that it probably means Bitcoin's going to dump soon, but it always ends up being the case. All right, so let's find out. Let's find out. I swear some whale watches my channel and is like, dude, like, we got to dump it, bro. Like, it's almost like a tradition at this point, man. More like the monthly. Yeah, man, it is what it is. All right. But going back over to the daily time frame, guys, as much as, we want that wedge formation to play out, that is projecting out, okay? If we already look at what's already happened, okay, this bear flag already broke to the downside, right, on the daily time frame. So it's one of those things that you're hoping, right, this time, I guess we used to say, you're hoping that this time is different. And hoping that this time is different sometimes can get you bit in the ass. The technical measure move out of this bear flag breakout to the downside does put you, ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu, if you're freaking vegan. Shout out to Crypto Kirby. I heard Crypto Kirby's like depressed now or some shit. Like he can't handle the haters or something. Bro, it's called a crypto bear market, man. Everyone's going to have freaking haters, man. Everyone's going to be calling Bitcoin a scam. Like, not just the Bank of Canada guy. It is what it is. But 14K is the technical measure move target, So let's see which one wants to prevail. Does the bull scenario want to prevail? Does the bear scenario want to prevail? It's going to be a just very, very, just, I guess, a fun time. Fun time, man. A fun September. A fun tember, as you would call it, man. Let's see. It's called the internet. It's so facts, bro. Listen, like, if you can't handle it, just don't go on. That's why I don't really go on Twitter, man, because Twitter sucks, bro. Anyways, let's continue on here. So, actually, you guys want to know the standings real quick. So let's check out the Crypto Madness standings. Let's see who's winning so far, my friends. All right. Actually, no. You know what we got to have? We got to have like a commentator here. Hold on. Who's a good commentator? This guy right here. This guy right here. Let's check out the Crypto Madness standings. All right, here we go, my friends. So, going over to Crypto Madness V1. Who is in the lead right now? Who is in the lead? Let's go check out the predictions ranking. So let's see what coins are currently still in the contest, my friends. This is not going to be the commentator. I'm totally kidding. So Maker, Uniswap, Bitcoin Cash, Theta, Polkadot, Binance Coin, PancakeSwap, Cosmos, still in the contest, my friends. Okay, so those aren't looking too shabby. Who's winning, right? So just to recap, you get 1 point for everyone that's correct. Okay, so this round's 1 point, this round's 1 point, this round's 1 point, this round is 3 points, and and the finals is 5 points. Okay, predictions ranking. Who's in first? Arch Enemy is in first so far, man. Let's get it. Come on. Here we go. Arch Enemy's in first. So far. Clint's actually in third. I really hope Clint. Actually, no, I hope Clint wins. Man. Clint deserves a win, every now and then. Even though he did beat me on our last bet. You know what I mean? Arch Enemy's in first. 2W. Clint, Jabba's Penis, is in fourth. Who made their name Jabba's Penis? Who made their name that? That's me. That's my name. I think my name's Jabba's Penis. I'm such a good troll. Who's in last? All right, so Crypto Z, Rod, Dorothy, Carrie, Trevor, John. Round out the top 10. Who's in last? Let's see. Grill Vanilli has only 4 points. And dump it. Grill Vanilli with 4 points. Oh, man. That's pretty brutal, bro. 4 points? How do you only have 4 points? Come on, man. This dude's literally got 4 points, man. All right. Anyways. How does a coin win over another? Whichever one is the highest gainer for the day, basically. So yesterday I updated the first round. Today updated the second round. Okay, basically. Whoever is the highest gainer for that day or the least loser for the day, coin moves on to the next round. Let's see. I'm Brendan from Market Makers. You think so? You think so? All right, weekly chart. Let's see what we got going on the weekly chart, guys. So, this is it, guys. This is it. This is the test for BTC right now. It's now or never. It's Bitcoin's holding the high or low, or it's going to 14K. Name me a better duo. Name me a better duo on the charts between Bitcoin making a higher low and going to 14K. Right now, still holding a higher low. The weekly chart looks like Shiza, man. All right, you cannot make up how bad the weekly chart looks. Now, it's looked this bad before and has held. Okay, so I don't want to sound like a Debbie Downer. Okay, but if you just look at the price action, okay, look at the price action, man. Okay, it's all about price action. Wick straight down, no wick on the bottom side, which means they're just trying to push it down, man. And there's no one buying it at the close right here, man. It's just a straight push to the downside. So far this week, wick to the upside, pushed right back down. All right, so take it for what you will. We're holding out for a higher low. All right, but it is what it is. I mean, the price action itself doesn't look juicy. Okay, at least at the current moment. That can change very quick, though. That can change very quick. But at the moment, not so much. Weekly time frame, you get the weekly stock cross. Historically, that's not been a good sign in bear markets, and the momentum indicator is about to flip over to the downside too. So weekly looks a little shady, my man. So what we're hoping for is the daily can push us up and save the weekly, because the weekly does not look very good, my man. And you know, for I know everyone's calling for 14K. Okay, I would normally say it's not going to happen because everyone's calling for it, though. Everyone was also calling for 20K, and it still happened, right? So take it for what you will. I will say this. If 19.2 doesn't hold on a close, I would say that 14K is, dude, remain of the understanding that anything is possible in this market, right? If 19.2 doesn't hold, you got to start looking at some of these lower vectors here, right? Weekly vectors still chilling right here at 14K. 2019 all-time high, still chilling right there. That's the level I'll be looking at if we can't hold there, man. You know what I mean? And that's why I think it's so important we make a weekly close higher or low, because that's where every macro bottom for BTC, right? 2018, you held the higher low, okay? Bada bing, bada boom. Even look, we're so bearish. I mean, you had the weekly bearish engulfing candle right there, and you still were able to recover, okay? And it was the same thing down here in 2014, right? You are super bearish on the weekly. I mean, look at this. You came up, bearish engulfing on the weekly, continuation candle, but you were still able to kind of mosey your way and hold the line here, okay? So I want to see Bitcoin hold the line here at 19, right around 19K. I want to see it hold the line here, my friends. All right, so what we want to see while I'm gone, my friends, while I'm gone, okay? While I'm gone, this is what I want to see, my friends, okay?
Jordan, we all want the price to go down. Stop trying to make us spam swords and shields. We all want the price to go down. No one's going to be spamming swords and shields. We're all bears. All right? Right, Jabba? Yeah, we're all bears. We're all bears. Even Horse Guy's a bear. Look at him. Why are you guys looking at me like that? You told me to be a bear. Oh, you meant a crypto bear? Oh, that's embarrassing.
All right, but guys, spam the swords, spam the shields in the chat if you are a bull. This is the time for Bitcoin to test its strength, or its lack of strength per se at the moment. But we must hold the line. All right, we cannot make another lower low. If we make another lower low, Bitcoin is looking ugly, very, very ugly, my friends. So fight, push the bears back, and take back the land that is rightfully ours. Okay? I am sick of this bear market. We've been through this bear market for too long. Okay? I cannot hold on any longer. I will capitulate like you guys if we break below 19K. So hold them back. Push them back. And we will be bulls together. Let's go. No. Look at the Bears, man. Look at the Bears. Look at the Bears. Oh, man. Bro, you're so loud. Of course I'm loud, man. You've been around these parts forever, Drew. You know I'm louder than anyone you've ever heard in your life. All right? All right, Bitcoin right now still holding up. ETH still holding up. I'm sweating balls right now, man. Anyone else sweating balls? There's no swords. Look at the chat. Is there any swords going on here? Let's see. Let's see if we got any swords, guys. I see Vitalik's sword. Where's Vitalik's sword, man? Look at the chat, man. There's like 3 swords. The bulls are going to get crushed if this is the case, man. The bulls are going to get absolutely crushed. I sweat liquid, not balls. Oh, man. Let's look at the poll. Let's look at the poll real quick, though. Will Bitcoin see new lows while Jordan is on vacation? 68% say yes. 32% say no. All right, so 68 versus 32%. Bada bing, bada boom. 68% say yes. That's crazy, man. That's literally crazy, man. Bro, does that mean we don't see new lows? Because almost 70% of chat thinks we're going to see new lows while I'm gone. 70%. That's a very high number. Like if it was 60, I'd say okay. 70% think we're going to see new lows. Hey, maybe the herd is correct, man. Maybe the herd is correct. We'll find out. We'll find out in the next episode of the Cryptoverse. No, that's what it is. All right, let's see ETH. ETH is still holding the 200 EMA. So we backed at this once, twice, 3 times, making lower highs all the way. Let's see what this price action holds up for Bitcoin, for ETH. Bitcoin, same thing. Test. Really ain't doing too much right now on little old BT Sizzle at the moment, guys. All right, so I think that's the majority of what I want to talk about. You know, for the most part, I will continue to say this, like, whatever happens while I'm gone, like if 14K comes while I'm gone, guys, okay? If 14K comes while I'm gone, stick to your plan. I know a lot of you guys are holding out for lower prices, and that's fine. I'm not going to judge you for that. If we get lower prices, I got a stack waiting as well, all right, that I'm holding just in case, okay? Be prepared for your plan. If your plan, what is your plan? Let me ask the chat. Do you have a plan going forward? Or are you just freeballing it? You know what I mean? Are you just walking around with no underwear on, saying, "Oh, I'm just gonna dick slap, you know, every single one of these pants, you know, and buy whenever I want to, because that's how I roll." All right? Do you guys have a plan? What's your plan, man? Plan is no plan. What is your plan? Okay, because I know a lot of you guys are waiting for lower prices, and that's fine. Like I respect it. I respect it. It is what it is. But what's your plan, man? If Bitcoin drops to 14K in the next week, what is your plan? And if your plan is to buy lower, be prepared for it, okay? Because I already know what's going to happen, and this is just bear market stuff, man. If we drop to 14K, the new narrative will be, okay, now 10K is coming, okay? If we drop to 10K, then the new narrative will be, okay, 5K is coming. There's a new narrative every time, okay? So if your plan is to buy lower, just be prepared, okay? And stick to your guns, because it's not just going to drop to 14K and everyone's just going to go, okay, the bottom is in, okay? And it's just going to be, you're just going to be sitting on a cloud and going, like this guy. You're not going to be sitting on a cloud and going, this is such a great dip. Wow. I love chips and dip. This is such a good dip to buy Bitcoin. I think the bottom is in. Jordan's on vacation. He's having such a good vacation. The bottom is in. Isn't this great, guys? The bottom is in at 14K. Now we can all just sit back and wait till the next halving event and just chill, because we're just going to go up from here. Everyone knows the bottom is in too. This is great. This is so great, right? You're never just going to be sitting there, okay? So if we drop to 14K, the new narrative will be It's whatever price the new narrative was going to be. So just be prepared. You're going to hear a lot of FUD. You're going to hear a lot of negativity if Bitcoin drops to 14K. That's how it always is. If your plan is to buy 14K, just stick to your plan to buy 14K. Don't listen to the FUD because there's going to be a lot of FUD if that does happen, okay? There's going to be a lot, all right? I think if it goes lower than that, okay, it is what it is, man. It's like you gotta play the risk versus reward game, okay? Play the risk versus reward game, okay? Just do that. What's up, Max? I can't sleep tonight. Jimmy with the stimmy ready to go all in? Oh, Jimmy with the stimmy's already all in, man. He can't take another dump. Man.
What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy with the $500 stimmy. I got no more dry powder. I'm already all in. I've been all in since 50K. We gonna go up soon? George, we gonna go up? George, you keep telling me we're gonna go up since 50K. You keep saying go up. You keep saying new bull market around the corner. You're getting us all wrecked, bro. We gonna go up soon? George, tell us we gonna go up. Tell us, please. We need hopium.
Yes, Jimmy, we're gonna go up. Just say it after me and you'll believe it. Say it after me, Colt. I am George. We're all George. Say it after me again. Say it and you'll believe it. I am George. We're all George. See? That's all you have to do. Now you got the hopium. Continue to stay in the game. Continue to DCA. Continue to hodl. We'll see new all-time highs are right around the corner, guys. Right around the corner. Okay? So just stay in the game. Keep your eye on the prize. We gonna go up. All right? Now let's do some Q&A. Oh, you like my new background? Thank you. Yeah, I change it every day. I don't know why I do, but I do. anyways, I'm out of here. There you go. See, just say it. Just say I'm George. We're all George, and you instantly got the hopium, man. All right, let's see. So BTC, 19,815. Here we go. Let's see what BTC does here, guys. It's coming down hot and heavy like a hot potato. It's not really. I'm being a little dramatic here. Any coins that did very well today? Well, the one that I'm waiting for, it just keeps teasing me, bro. It keeps teasing me. Now, I think this is a sign I should buy. The price. Look at the price, man. Look at the price of Near right now. Look at it. Right here. Okay. Now that might be. No, I'm not going to FOMO. But Near wants to keep teasing me. It won't get me anywhere close. Nothing else has broken out of the wedge. And I told you guys 350 was my level I'm looking for. Why? Well, I have reasons. But it wants to break out of the wedge right and before everything else and come back up here. So bought it big, bought it boom. 420 on Near. So it's up 5% today. Everything else is pretty much down for the most part, it looks like. But yeah, the one thing I'm trying to scoop up a little bit more of, it just keeps teasing me, bro. It keeps teasing me. That's not FOMOing. I would consider this FOMOing, man. Think about it. You're in a bear market still, okay? Based off technicalities, okay? And it's up 15%. To me, that's FOMOing, okay? To me, that's FOMOing. Buy supports. Not breakouts, man. Not breakouts. In bear markets, what you'll see is breakout and you'll just dump back down most of the time. But, like I always say, don't be afraid to take profits for the bear market pumps. Don't be FOMOing in the bear market until proven otherwise. Let's see. Treat yourself. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Mike said, buy yourself some crackers for your Polish soup. Seriously, you and Maya have fun over there. Oh, we will. We will, man. We will. I'm excited for the Polish soup, man. The tomato soup. I've heard it tastes like chicken tikka. So, tell me something tastes like chicken tikka. I'm in. Count me in. I'm in there. Instantly. You were supposed to buy it at 470. Maybe I'm being a little bit of a bottom dweller, man. Okay? I'm being a slight bottom dweller. I am. All right. So take it for what you will. Take it for what you will. Ethereum. What do you guys think about Ethereum, guys? Like, what do you think is going to happen before the merge? Okay, because Ethereum also has this like little interesting thing going on where if you look at where it came back down to, and this is actually the level I was looking at for ETH to come back down to on the dump after testing the bull market support band. So we basically came up here. This was the worst time to buy ETH, was right here at 2K. Literally the worst time you could buy ETH was at 2K. Okay, I don't think anyone was dumb enough to buy at 2K. Was anyone but dumb enough to buy ETH at 2K right here? That wasn't a DCA. Like you thought it was going to go up short term. Let me know. Yeah, previous supports, previous resistance got rejected. You know that whole bada bing, bada boom. This is the 14, 15 was the level I was watching because you look left. That was basically the right around the previous all-time high and these lows as well right here. So I was looking for that to hold. So far, so good. Though that can change. That can change very, 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 very quick. Okay? I mean, this could just come up and then come right back down. So what do you guys think? Let's see. ETH will follow BTC. Actually, I would say it's relatively. I would say it's relatively been somewhat of the opposite lately. I do have to say, man. You know what I mean? So, but no. Here's the deal. Is this a rise, retrace, continuation up? Okay. You might be calling me crazy. But if ETH is going to bounce, this is the level right here for Ethereum to bounce. We go to the Ethereum chart. All right. Let's go to like the daily chart here, like this. Right here. Okay. This is the daily wedge we're watching for. The same thing as total market cap. All right. Nice, Drew. This is the daily chart. Okay. I mean, it has lower lows coming in and lower highs coming in. Classic wedge formation. You get 3 touches on both sides. It is a confirmed pattern. Now it's just, does it want to have the juice to break to the upside? That's why we're all here to find out, right? And it has the same setup as Bitcoin on the daily. Like, you got the stock RSI crossed on the daily. You got momentum coming back up to the upside, all right? Now you just need to see the breakout, man. You need to see the breakout, but you have so much resistance right here, man. It's tough because if you zoom in, what do you got here? Not only do you have this resistance, but you also have the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA coming in hot and heavy right here. Okay, so this is going to be a tough cookie to crack for ETH. Okay, this is going to be a very, very tough cookie to crack. Okay, so pay attention here. Pay attention, because if ETH can't break out right here, that it's not going to give a shit about this wedge and it's going to come back down. All right, so pay attention to this level right here. That is a massive level. A massive level. If ETH can get back over this level, dude, I'm going to be honest, man. And this is my honest opinion. If ETH can get back over this resistance right here and the 50 and the 20 EMA on a daily close, if it can break out, I would not be surprised to see it come all the way back up and test the highs. All right? All the way back up here at 2K. I would not be surprised whatsoever. Call me crazy, but I would not be surprised whatsoever. Okay? But only if it breaks out. Okay? This is if and when. Okay? If and when. You got to play the if and when game. Nothing is guaranteed in the market. If it breaks out, I would not be surprised to see it come all the way back up in here. Okay? And come back up to like 2K. Would not be surprised whatsoever. Call me crazy, man. Let's see. The ETH Maxi thinks BTC follows ETH. Hey, man. It is what it is. I don't know what to tell you. All right? When I see that, lately when Bitcoin dumps, ETH holds up very, very well. What does that show me? ETH has more strength than BTC at the moment. Okay? It's not always like that. It's definitely not always like that. Don't get me wrong, man. Let's see. I thought Jordan was a SHIB maxi. I am a SHIB maxi, man. I am a SHIB maxi. What does Alex Becker think, by the way? Alex Becker has some strong opinions in the market at the moment, guys. Come on, Alex. Come on, Alex. Yeah, get your sexy ass over here. Get your sexy ass over here. They want to see your sexy ass. Thank you, Jordan. Stop hyping me up. I know I'm the sexiest guy on YouTube. Obviously, I'm the sexiest guy in YouTube, and I'm the smartest guy in YouTube too. So, what's going on, fellas? Guys, I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. I just fucked all your moms, and the reason why I did was because I'm freaking sexy, and I got a hot body, and the six pack is just popping out. And you know, I told them like I don't want to bang my followers' moms, but I had to. Why? Because you guys are a bunch of nerds that are listening to the herd saying we're going back down. Hey, wake up, fellas. We're at support. Wake up, fellas. We're at support. Now is the time to buy. This is when big money is buying, okay? They sell on you guys up here, and you guys are idiots and buy up here at 25K, and they buy on you back down here when you're capitulating. Flip your mindset, you freaking idiots, man, okay? This is why you guys jerk off every single night in the basement. Because why? Because why do you guys jerk off every night in the basement? Because you guys are buying Bitcoin at 25K. Why do I not have to jerk off? Why can I just call your mom over whenever I want? Why can I just call your girlfriend over whenever I want? Why? Because I'm buying at 20K. All right? And I'm selling on you at 25K. Wake up, you freaking idiots. Buy support, sell resistance. It's that freaking easy. You can't get it through your thick skull and you want to be a virgin for the rest of your life. Okay? Keep doing it. I don't have to tell you. All right? And if you're not a virgin, well, you're probably just getting screamed at by your wife and taking it because you're a bitch. All right? That's it. All right. Adios, guys. Buy support, sell resistance. That's it. I'm going to go bang your mom again. See ya. He just goes, rip new viewers. They have no idea what's going on, man. Did any of you guys, when you first came to my stream, have any idea what was going on? No, but you still stayed. Okay, so take it for what you will. It is what it is. Like if I'm gonna be honest, if I came to my stream, I'm gonna be honest, I would have a blast watching the stream, man. I would. Do I go back and watch my own stream sometimes? Not lately. I used to do it though. Anyways, let's go back over here. Let's go back over here. Oh man, I'm subscribing to Becker King. No more God Becker. Oh Lord, your first appearance to me was through a tunnel. Was it actually? Was the tunnel stream the first one? I remember the tunnel days. The tunnel days were very, very good, guys. Very, very good. All right, let's check on some macro stuff real quick. Because guys, I'm probably going to be heading out relatively soon here. Because I still got some shit to do. You guys are like, Jordan, you don't got shit to do, man. You're already packed. I got shit to do, guys. All right? But if we look over here, tether dominance. And this is another reason why I do think the market could go up here in the short term. Take it for what you will. Listen, I'm not some freaking genius who can get every move correct, okay? It is what it is. What's my favorite pattern? The wedge. It seems like tether dominance is just the wedge, just like the rub the wedges together, okay? It is what it is. Becker's banging my mom right now. Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Just be nice to her. All right, so we know this big falling wedge already broke out to the upside. Bada bing, bada boom. The issue with this one is it sort of had that little deviation, kind of like Bitcoin did, to the upside, but then came back in. Actually tried to get up again, but got rejected. Here's the issue with this one, man. This one broke to the downside, broke to the upside, came back up. And then we had this little one right here on the 4-hour time frame that also broke to the upside. All right, and if we zoom in here, let's go back to the daily now. This one broke to the upside, and then we go back to the daily time frame. Do we have a rising wedge coming in on tether dominance? It seems like it's just wedge city out here. It's wedge city out here everywhere. Okay, and I love wedgies. Just like BTC, if tether dominance breaks to the downside, what does that mean? It means people are taking money out of tether or stable coins and moving it into crypto. It's usually when the market is going up. So if we see this break to the downside, which once again, 68% of the time, they break to the downside. We'll see if it does. But if it breaks to the downside, pay attention, okay? Pay attention. Because that would mean that crypto goes to the upside, okay? So take it for what it is, all right? I don't know if it's going to play out. I just respect the percentages. That's all I do. That's all I do. All right, let's see. See what you guys are saying in here. Marty, what's going on, buddy? What's going on, Marty? Marty, yeah, what was Marty the one who was winning? Oh no, that was who was winning here? Let's see. It was Arch Enemy was winning. Arch Enemy actually got 12 out of the 16 in the first round. That's pretty freaking good. And then 5 out of 8 in the second round. It's going to be tough to beat Arch Enemy. What does Clint have? Clint's got 11 out of 16 and he's got 4 left. So Clint's actually killing it, man. Clint, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for killing it, brother. You're killing that. I hope you win. I hope you win just so you can rub it in my face. All right? Marty, that's freaking awesome, though, man. That's awesome, dude. Absolutely awesome, bro. That's crazy, actually. It's crazy, man. It's absolutely crazy. All right, and then what else can we update? Just do a quick update on a few different things here, guys. NASDAQ with another bearish day. I mean, the NASDAQ just coming back down hot and heavy. See, this is the only thing that's keeping me up, saying that, all right, if this keeps dumping, crypto doesn't stand a chance, man. If the stock markets keep going down, crypto doesn't stand a freaking chance. All right? And to be quite frank, Frankinichi, okay? Allergic reaction lips. Yeah, dude, I mean, this just keeps going. It keeps going. And quite frankly, it broke this support, this previous resistance here. It broke this one right here. The 2 levels I was looking for it to hold, it smacked to the downside. Is this getting primed to come back and test these lows again? It sounds crazy at this point, but is this getting primed to come all the way back down here? If it does, you best bet at that point Bitcoin would be at lower lows. Okay, so this is really the thing we should be watching, because crypto is going to follow the stock market relatively. All right, our saving grace is if this can get any bounce to the upside here, man. And that might be a stretch. Like, that might be a stretch at this point. S&P just keeps coming down. The hope for the S&P is it's just coming back down to take this vector candle right here before coming back up. But even then, like, this level right here is be the level that I look for a bounce. But that's still a little bit ways away. That still could take a couple of days. So, man, I mean, this is what we need to watch here, guys. I mean, this is what could hold up BTC at the moment overall, right? DXY, people saying it's topped out. I don't think it is just yet. I think it's getting close, but I don't think it's topped out just yet. I think we're going to see like 112 at a bare minimum. 112 bare minimum. Okay? Reason why, Euro USD, right? You have this big trend line coming all the way back down here from 2004, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. I'm looking for a bounce here, but that could be a little bit more room to the downside, okay? That could be another, nothing crazy at this point, another like 2% to the downside. And I'm looking for a bounce in this red box here, okay? You entered the red box, but I'm looking for a bounce here on Euro USD. Euro USD can hold, should slow down the DXY pump a little bit, all right? So we'll keep watching that and see if that ends up playing out here, though. All right, Bitcoin holding up, ETH holding up, everything holding up, man. The bare minimum. Jordan doesn't want to leave his studio. I guess so. I definitely guess so. Drew said, I'm a Jordan Maxi. Thanks, Drew. Thanks for hanging out, man. No, Drew, you're not Jordan Maxi. You like Tino, and I don't know who else you like. But I know you like Tino, too. Which I like Tino. Lately, I've only really been watching... haven't watched Tino since he got back, to be honest. I got to catch up. I've been watching Crone's Crypto Cave. He has a lot of good stuff. I like the way he looks at the market, like with statistics and stuff like that. I want to start doing that more myself, because if you can find something that's happened a lot and just make like a statistic with it, like it plays out 90% of the time, it can be pretty accurate. I like a lot of his stuff. And I like Tino. And I still watch George every day. Just because it's kind of like a habit at this point. Like, I know what he's going to say every day, but I still watch every day. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like one of those things, you know? It's like a habit at this point. Showed his hand today. He was about to do a face reveal. No shit, huh? That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome, man. What time is it? 7:53. All right, Bitcoin always wants to do this, man. It always wants to come back down and test lows or break lows. You know, as we start to get towards 8 o'clock. Always. It seems like 8 o'clock is the dump time. Every single time. Every single time. ETH's still holding up. Let me go to like the 15-minute chart on Ethereum. Let's see what we got cooking here. Yeah, ETH is actually coming down too. But ETH still has this trend line coming like this. And this one coming like this. So ETH could still just be in this, you know, bigger channel here. But if this breaks the downside, we're coming back down and test the lows. Most likely coming back down and testing this level we bounced off earlier, right? Which was 1477. So we'll watch that in Ethereum for a short-term move. Bitcoin, if this doesn't hold, coming down like this, I mean, coming back down to 19.5. And that's the test, man. That is the test. That is the ultimate test for your BTC here, guys. So that's what we're going to watch. That's what we're going to watch. All right? Vikings, you bet. None of you guys wanted to be Vikings today. Okay? So I guess we got to keep holding the line here, man. All right? Guys, I got some sources. I got some sources for you. All right? My guy over at, he knows Satoshi. He knows Satoshi Nakamoto. So my sources, and I also told BitBoy these sources too. All right, so keep it in mind. He's going to tell you all about it in his stream tomorrow. Guys, my sources tell me Bitcoin is head to 14K while Jordan's on vacation. All right? It's not going to be looking very good, guys. It's going to be very, very ugly. It's going to be a wick. Okay? So it's going to wick down to 14K, and then it's going to get bought all the way back up to 17K. That's what my sources are telling me. So a wick to 14K, and it's going to come all the way back up to 17K, and Bitcoin's going to close back upwards towards 17K on a weekly close. That's what my sources tell me. Take it for what it is. All right? Take it for what it is, man. That's my sources. Thank you. Thank you, Ken. Take it off. Take it from Ken, man. Take it from Kenny boy out here. No, guys. Right now it's a wait and see. I'm not in any trades at the moment. There's nothing really giving me any indications at the moment, man. Like everything I have drawn like this was just speculation. I wouldn't trade off this. You know, it's really not any short-term patterns or, you know, momentum swings that I'm looking at the current moment. You guys might have something. It's nothing that I would look at to be like, all right, I'm going to take a long or a short here. You know, to me, we're kind of in that awkward zone. We're in that awkward zone at the moment. That very, very awkward zone, you know, where you still could get a push back down to 19.5. But I also would be surprised if you got a push back up to like 20K. You know what I mean? So you're in that awkward kind of middle zone at the current moment, guys. Let's see. I like sauce. I like sauces and sausages. Sausage and sausages. Nice, man. I like those too. I like those a lot. We got the daily close coming up, by the way. Daily close. Just kind of an day. Right? I mean, you pumped yesterday, bullish engulfing, and then you just came back down. So you're still holding the wedge, right? You had a deviation below, came back in. You're still holding the bottom of it. You guys in any trades right now? Let me know in the chat, man. Are you guys in a long, a short? Or are you guys sitting on the sidelines, man? Let me know. Let me know. Sideways till you get back? I guess. That would be brutal if it was just sideways till I get back. I mean, technically speaking, that's what we. If 17.6K was the bottom, technically speaking, you probably would expect sideways until I get back. You probably would expect this whole week to be kind of a nothing burger. You know, probably just staying in between like 19K and like 21K for like the next week. If you thought this was the bottom. I'm in a crab position. Very long. Short, short. Dump it. Let's see. What's the best altcoin to buy now that I can dump on you later? The best altcoin that you can buy now? I have no idea, man. I have no idea. I would say ETH, if I'm going to be honest. Waiting for daily to make a new pattern? Facts. Facts, facts, facts. Facts, facts, facts right now, guys. It's kind of a, I mean, this morning there was more stuff, more juicy stuff going on. Right now, we're kind of short, long and short. 2-inch long. I know a Vitalik. Can you believe Vitalik had a massive boner in that picture? This is the same guy who did this, guys. Like, I'll show you 2 Vitalik things, and you're going to tell me this was the same guy who had a massive boner. All right? So it is the 2 things that Vitalik did. Number 1, right here. This is Vitalik number 1. Picking his nose. There he goes. And he quenches it like this. Look at his hair, too. It's like a peacock in the back. Sometimes my hair looks like that, too. That's what happens when you're a genius, you know? Your hair gets stuck up in the back. You guys wouldn't know, you know? Only me and Vitalik know because we're geniuses. And this is the other thing he does. Happy and clapping. This is the same guy. This guy right here. What a stud. Only geniuses clap like that too. Pure genius mode. Dude looks like Jordan. Are you serious? Hey, listen, like, I would take looking like Vitalik if I was the founder of ETH. I totally would. I would take that trade off all day. Why? Dude, because it wouldn't give a shit what you look like at that point. Show the photo with the China. I don't know if I can show that on YouTube, man. You know how YouTube is, guys. I can't do that. I can't. I want to show it. But it's like, dude, that was the same guy who had a giant boner with the chick next to him. You know? I don't know. I feel it. All right. It's the daily close, by the way, guys. Really with nothing burger on the daily close. Like, we closed at, you know, shit. No, we closed at about 18.8. No, sorry. Wait, there we go. There it goes. Like, dude, like, why did it not close? What the hell's going on here? Yeah, we closed at about 19.8. So there we go. It is what it is. Kind of a nothing burger. Like, we came back down, but you're pretty much just kind of where you're at. Like, the last 3 days have been kind of going sideways if you look at it. Nothing really much going on, right? I mean, we've had some volatility the last couple of days, but if you look at the chart, this is kind of what we're looking at, right? Right? Down, up, but really just sideways. I just searched it. Yeah, guys, if you want to see it, just search Vitalik boner on Google. And I hope something weird doesn't pop up. Vitalik boner on Google. And you'll be good to go. You'll be good to go, man. Just make sure no one's looking at you in case something else pops up, guys. Okay. Listen, like something's supposed to pop up, but not what you think it is. Okay. Like Vitalik doesn't even need laser eyes. He has literally laser in his pants, man. What's going on, guys? It's Plan B. I am the master of crypto. Wait, what is this laser that I see from across the way? Wait, that's not a laser. That's a giant green Dido. The hell is that? Is that in someone's pants? Who is that? It's Vitalik. Oh, I am no longer the god of crypto. I am the follower of Vitalik. All hail Vitalik. That's what it is at this point, man. Holy shit. Not safe for work. Oh, this channel's always not safe for work. Do not play this at work. you will get destroyed, man. No, just kidding. You won't. All right, guys. I think that's. Listen, I kind of wanted this tonight's stream to be quick because I wanted to kind of touch on everything. Just real quick, just touch on everything that I'm looking at, guys. Here's what I'll say. Watch the total market cap chart. Okay, watch the 618 Fibonacci, and this is what it all comes down to me right here. This is it. This is it right here. Okay. If total market cap can hold the 618 Fibonacci, even if it comes back down again to test, that's okay, because we want to see a W pattern at the bottom here. If it comes back down to the 618 Fibonacci level at $920 billion, okay, watch this very carefully. This is the level I'm watching. I don't give a shit about anything else, to be quite honest. If this level holds, or it just breaks out here today, that is going to be a very good sign for crypto. But I'll tell you this. If this comes down and breaks that level, I know like the break of the 618 fib on total market cap. And then you could see a drop all the way down to the 786, which would probably mean Bitcoin's at, because all coins have held up better than Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin dominance has actually gone down, right? During this move. That would probably mean Bitcoin's lower than 19K at that point. Okay, so be prepared. Be prepared. Watch this level like a freaking hawk. Like a hawk on a Saturday night, man. All right? Like a hawk on a Saturday night. Other than that, guys, I'm going to call it a stream here. Have a fantastic night. Appreciate the support from everyone. And I'm going to miss you guys for a week, man. I don't like going on vacation for a week, because when I come back, I feel really weird. And I feel like I like betrayed my my crypto fan that's been here for forever, man. Some of you guys have been watching my channel for like, it's crazy, man. For like 2 years. It's nuts. But guys, have a fantastic week, man. Like, this is a pivotal, I know I always say every week's a pivotal week, but this week actually is, because this is like the last bullish thing that I'm watching here. If this doesn't play out, you're probably going to see bearish Jordan come back, okay? If this does not play out, you're going to see bearish Jordan come back, okay? So be prepared for bearish Jordan, because I will come back, and I will be bearish Jordan if this doesn't play out, man. If it does, you'll be seeing probably Moonboy Jordan coming back. All right? Short-term Moonboy Jordan. All right, guys? So have a fantastic week. Stay vigilant on the charts. Be prepared for anything. Be prepared for lower. Be prepared for higher. Be prepared for both, and you won't be surprised. All right? Adios, my friends. Peace. 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 Don't do anything I want to do. Don't panic, sell your crypto. Most of all, don't panic, sell your crypto. But don't be afraid to take profits on the bear market pumps until proven otherwise. Peace, guys. Later, Creighton. Shout out to Creighton, man. We got Bob. Hey, you got Bob. You got Bob, man. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? What could go wrong with Bob here, man?
Hey guys, it's my channel now. Jordan's on vacation. All right, let's do my first stream. You guys excited? Today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, and that's it. Nothing else. All right, so here we go. All right, so we're not going to look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a shit coin. All right, it's a shit coin. Let me eat my meatloaf here while I'm sitting here. Here we go. All right, let's take a look at Shiba Inu. All right, so Shiba leads the market because Shiba is the best coin in crypto. All right? Come at me if you don't think so. All right, let me take another bite here. All right, here we go. So Shiba Inu is in a falling wedge. If this breaks to the upside, crypto's bullish. It's so bullish. All right? Hold on, guys, real quick. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I think I gotta take a crap, man. All right, guys, that's the end of the stream. I gotta take a crap. I gotta take a massive crap. Oh, God. Oh, all right, guys. That's the end. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Peace and love. How do I end this shit? How the hell do I end this shit? Mom, how do I end the YouTube stream? What do you mean you don't know because you're old? How do I end this shit? All right, ending this right now. All right, here we go. I think this is how I end it. Here we go. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. All right, guys. See you later. Peace.